Mga dear, today is a weekend and mukhang gigimik na naman ang inyong mother dear. Sobrang trentahin. No, I'm not trentahin. 23 pa lang ako. Ano ba? Check. So get ready with me for another makeup gimmick night. My contacts, I'm gonna use a one-day contact lens. This is from Olens. It's Candy in the shade Olive. Very nice kapag mga gimmick kasi you can throw it away after. Yo. My skin prep, I'm gonna go full on Dalba because I wanna make my skin really glowy. Just look how my skin glow. That's the goals. Actually like lightening my brows lately kasi it is a soft features like that. I'm thinking to go on medyo dark in makeup, so let's see what I can do. Okay, last video sinabihan niyo ako na masyadong pabebe yung makeup ko, kaya ngayon tatapangan natin siya a little bit. Okay, for the eyes, di na ako mag-in-depth tutorial kasi di naman to masterclass. However, what I did is this Fabius eyeliner and ginawa ko siyang base. Kumuha ko na itong dark brown and then I mixed it with this one and then in-smudge ko lang siya and then nilagyan ko neto and then nilagyan ko yung keme ko. Basta masyadong matapang, parang matatakot yung mga tao na lumapit sa akin. Base, I'm thinking to go on full Huda Beauty because nandito na rin naman tayo, nagmatapang na yung mata natin. So, full coverage na natin here. Break time. The shade Caramel Corn to spot conceal, especially here sa beard area. Foundation, I'm the shade Macchiato. And yeah, titin out ko lang siya kasi ayoko naman masyadong pageant yarn. And my foundation, I'm gonna use my favorite foundation brush. Hindi ko kayo mag-get. Feeling ko nag-i-inarte lang talaga kayo. Dear, look how fast the blending is. Gets me, this is a sponge in a brush form. Like, no streak, no tusok. Dear. My lips, I'm just gonna do a nude moment para naman to balance everything kasi mukha na talaga tayong maldita. Going to this jumbo lip liner and blurring it out like that and then finishing off with a gloss. And oh my god, I see the vision. This is the final look, all complete. Feeling ko naman din yun ako masabihan na masyadong pabebe yung makeup. Talaga siyang palaban, dear. Alam kung makakakuha tayo ngayon ng organic encounter, parang matatakot na lang. Check. Nonetheless, this makeup, this outfit, this whole look, I think it's really nice. Yun lang. Bye!